Hi everyone! So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create transactions using items managed by serial. Let's first create an item managed by serial. So let's go to inventory module, click on items. Then for this example, we'll be using manual item code natin. Then type lang natin SN. Then you can type the number of your branch. Then A para sa first one. So, type ko lang dito, item 1. Then item category, items, item class should be merchandise inventory. Then let's go to the inventory tab. So this is the most important part. So select muna natin yung manage item by, should be serial numbers. Then costing method. So select natin dito FIFO. And then management method on every transaction. And let's go to the price list tab. Then yung base price natin, lagay natin dito, 45,000. Then click tab. Ayan. So once you're all good with the details, let's just click add. Operation ended successfully. Now, in this example, what we will do is we will purchase and receive from the first supplier 20 pieces of this item, SN00A, by serial number. Ayan. Then once we purchase 20 pieces, we will then sell 5 pieces of the same item. Okay, so let's go to purchases, then purchase order. So let's click on the supplier, yung first supplier natin. And then for the item, select natin yung recently created. Then as for the quantity, let's make it 20. So let's double check the values. Quantity should be 20. Your unit price should be 51,750. So this is calculated based doon sa ating input na base price kanina. Yan. So click add. So your line total should be 1,035,000. Then your amount here, less of the taxes, is 924,107.14. Then your VAT, withholding tax, and your amount. So once you're all good with that, with the purchase order, click natin yung save. Now, let's copy to goods receipt PO. By the way, for the screenshot on this, yung mga created by serial, make sure that you screenshot yung receiving document kasama yung serial number. There you go. So, click lang natin yung save. And then, yan. So, you have to take a screenshot nito overlapping with the receiving document. Yan. So, if it's a pop-up. So, ang gagawin natin, mag-input kayo dito ng serial number. But for us, not to do it manually, we will do it by generating the serial number by range. So, yung prefix natin, type natin SN dash. Then, yung start serial, gamitin natin 1,000. Quantity natin 20. There. And then, click generate. Alright, so once you're good with that, click lang natin, okay. Then don't forget to click update. So make sure that when you take a screenshot, kita itong receiving and kita din yung serial number setup. Then click lang natin yung save. So once it's successful, then copy to AP invoices. Then let's just make sure that the amount still is the same. Correct pa din. Balance due. Yan. So ito naman yung items natin. Then let us click save. Alright. So once you're good with that, so magbenta naman tayo. Punta tayo ng ating sales and then sales order. So, select natin si customer. Then, yung item natin, yung managed by serial. There you go. Then, magbebenta tayo ng 5. Okay. So, let's double check the values. Yung ating line total, 292,500. Your amount is 261,160.71. VAT is 31,300. 39.29. Then your withholding tax, 261.61. Right? So let's save. The next step, copy to deliveries. So when we copy it to deliveries, so we will click save, then it should lead you again to the serial number setup. So ngayon, pipili tayo ng mga items to sell specific kasi ang isang code para sa isang item. So let's choose item 1,000 hanggang 1,004. So yung unang 5. Ayan. Then click natin tong arrow. Ayan. So ito na yung selected. So your quantity and your total selected should be the same. Then click OK. Then click update. So make sure na click nyo yung update. Kasi if you don't click update, hindi siya masisave. Yan. Then click natin yung save. And then let's click copy to AR invoices. So for this part pala, let's click the due date. Let's set it to December 31. Then click save. So there you go. That's the end-to-end process. So now let's create another one. So same pa din, managed by serial numbers. So punta ulit tayo ng inventory, items. Create ulit tayo using manual, SN00, and then B. Item category, still items, item class merchandise inventory. Sa inventory tab, select natin manage item by serial numbers. Then select natin FIFO. Management method should be on every transaction. Price list should be 35,000. So save natin, add lang natin. Now, next, we will purchase and receive from the second supplier 25 pieces ng item na to. So, purchase tayo. Select lang natin si second supplier. So, again, yung created ninyo. Then, let's choose the serial number, yung second. Then, the quantity should be 25. Then, click add. And then, notes. Amounts should be 898,437.5. And your line total should be 1,006,250. Copy to goods receipts PO. So in the receiving, make sure you take a screenshot including the serial numbers setup. So when you click save, it will direct you to the serial number setup. Then click ulit natin generate by range. So, type natin SN dash. And then, sa serial number, gawin naman natin, start natin siya sa 10, 20. Kasi, second na purchase naman natin. So, lagay natin sa quantity natin dito is 25. Then, generate. Ayan. Then, click lang natin, okay. Make sure to click update. Then, double check everything. Then, your due date, gawin rin natin na December 31. And then, click save. Click OK. The next is copy to AP invoice. Copy natin ito AP invoice. Yung due date natin, December 31. So, double check the values. Then once you're good with that, click natin yung save. Then next, magbenta naman tayo. Punta tayo sa sales order. Now, magbenta tayo ng 14 items. 1, 4. So, click natin si customer. Second, yung ikalawang gawa ninyo. Then, click lang natin, select the item. And so, yung second one pa din. Then, let's just type here. So, your quantity should be 14. 1, 4. Click add. So, your values, line total, 637,000. Amount, 568,750. Click save. Once you're done, click copy to deliveries. So, double check lang ulit natin yung mga numbers. Make sure it's still the same. Then, click natin yung save. So, once you click save, it will direct you to the serial number setup. So, piliin lang natin yung ating unang 14. So, if marami siya, pwede rin kayong mag-select ng auto-select. Kukunin niya yung first 14. But if in the actual scenario, tas may specific serial number, so kailangan hanapin nyo talaga siya. Then click lang natin okay, then update. And once you're all good, so click natin yung save. Click okay. Then once you're good with that, click natin copy to AR invoice. Okay, so lagi lang rin natin December 31 para within the same period lang. So once you're good with that, so make sure lang the values are still the same. Click natin save, click natin okay. We're done with creating transactions using items managed by serial.